and I'm here with Zeke.
And we're on a FaceTime. Blue Hands call. So I'm going to be commentating, full practicing way back here.
Yes, so, yeah. Okay, let's get into this. So,
And James is going to St. Mary's Scramble.
Yes, in Nebraska, Omaha, Nebraska. I'm in the podium. Don't worry. Okay. So let's get started. So in the previous two tutorials, we did the first course, or the first world, I guess you could call it. So now we're on to our second one. So sending a message. Playing with simple values is nice, but the fun really begins when you start sending messages. Sending messages will be the basic building block of your Objective-C apps because it tells you how to perform some action or to give you some piece of information. To send a message, you need at least two things: an object and a message name. So as we can see here, it says object name, so we're going to put our object name and message name, so we're sending the message to it. The object name goes on the left, followed by a space, and then the message name, and then the whole thing is wrapped inside square brackets. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to message sending. So we're sending a message right now. Our mission, I can't speak today, is to send to the Try Objective-C, or OBJC. Let's complete this challenge. Now, I know I'm super fast, let's go. So, that will go ahead and send it to us. So now we have, yes, I don't know what else to say. So, what it's doing is, we learned in the last episode, last episode, what the NS array is. So, we're gonna create variable food, the NS array foods, tacos, burgers. So we need to send the description. So what you can do instead of a variable is you can just replace this with a message. You have to always log the variable because you can't just type in the variable. You have to send a message, so we'll do that. And then we can do this to the variable foods, and then you space description. And that will return the value of foods description. So tacos, burgers. Perfect. Okay. So result. Send description to foods. And pass in result here. So we'll just put result. And description to foods. Foods description. So that means and a string description. Oh, we should read this for you. When you send a message to an Objective-C that's built into an Objective-C language, the easiest way is to find out the return type that is looked at the documentation. So that means that hold on, let me reread that. So that means, oh my goodness. Look at the documentation. So you could store messages into a variable so that we can copy variables, I guess you could say. So if you want to state, I just said that. So we did that. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Try to log an NSU integer. City length. So what this is doing, what's our mission? So the thing is, since it's an NSU integer, it needs a different placeholder. It needs the LU placeholder. Now half of this is false, so just ignore this. Some of this will be different for actually publishing apps. So anyways, Zeke, what do you think?
What? I didn't hear anything you said.
Okay.
I wasn't listening.
Okay. So, Higgy, NSU
I'm
number.
working on my own project.
What we want, instead of a number, we want an NSU integer. And since it's an NSU integer, there's no thing, and that means we have to do an LU. So that. Oh yeah, we have to. I hate doing this. This is always really annoying. NSU integer. Higgy's age.
Aha! I figured something out.
What?
Not about Objective-C, but it's about another project I'm working on. You've seen the project.
Unsigned integer value. So that means it's going to send us its unsigned integer value in return. Now, I don't think these are actually built into Objective-C. You will learn about interface, and the code school implemented an interface into this. This is really boring.
What do you think, though, James?
I have to complete this course for you guys, so. But anyways, I will get into Xcode after this, because that's how we're going to actually use this. I forgot to capitalize the V in value. There. Code School recommendation. Fix your program. Oh, I need to do int. Yeah, please work, please work. Darn it. Didn't work. I think I typed something wrong. NSU. I spelled integer wrong. Yay, please work, please work. Darn it. Oh. What the heck did that come from? Yay! It works! Okay, well, anyways. That's really boring, so anyways. In the next episode, I think we're going to learn about interface. No. We are going to learn not about interface, but how this will actually be of use in setting up Xcode. So we will get into that in the next video, and I will see you then.